Yo, what is up? We are back. It has been a hot minute, been on a bit of a hiatus, but we're back. Got some updates, so let's get rolling. So first one, I started with some technical updates of where the Dink Rack is at, and the first one is that I made a website. By made, I mean I used a formatter because I don't have the time or the skills yet to make a website. So I wanted to try and see if I could make some custom branding and just put up some product pictures, list what I have going, and see where it takes me. So with that being said, I had my first go at taking product pictures. So I'd watched a quick YouTube tutorial, set up a really jank setup, and tried a few things. Did it turn out great? No, but it was a start and we'll keep getting better as we go, and at least we learned something. Jumping back to the website, overall, I'm honestly not mad at all about where it's starting. I mean, to me it looks pretty decent, and I don't think it's too far off of where I want it to be as the final product. I think my main next steps for the website are kind of deciding where I want to go aesthetically. So do I want to follow kind of the fun, playful pattern, or maybe something more clean cut, high-end, professional? But I essentially want to develop a sort of branding style to follow. I think based on the fact that this is a 3D printed product and not something super high-end or really expensive for people, I think it would be smarter to stay with the fun side. It's also pretty reflective of the game of pickleball, so I think it's just a good way to align everything I'm going for. Next bit is we've been doing some research on where we want to start selling these. So obviously I think at the beginning I just want to be spreading word of mouth and seeing if people are actually interested, like get the market validation first. So I'm going to be focusing on that. From there, if it is something that is worthwhile, people are interested in, I think the best place right now would be somewhere with TikTok Shop or Etsy. I don't have my own customer base that I can rely off of to just start a website up and like send these things out. So I think I got to build that customer base first and then work up from there. Last little technical update is that I made a quick waitlist form. So if you are anyone interested or you want to stay up to date with whatever's going on, I use Tally, which is really similar to kind of the Notion framework. It's really easy to use and quickly set up. I got a friend to try it out for me. So right now I only have a submission, which is a little embarrassing, but I start cold emailing, send it out to more people, and try and get more people excited about it. Okay, so that was all of my technical updates. So moving on from that, I jumped on the Bamboo wagon, and their second anniversary sale was pretty recently, and I copped myself an A1 printer, and I've never been happier. If you were debating, it is so worth the investment. Product quality, the print speed, everything is just increased tenfold. It's been such a good purchase, and it's made life so much easier. In terms of the actual products, I've been working on the next iterations of everything. So all the V3s, I just finished up the new ball rack, so I can show a clip of that real quick. The last thing I'm going to be working on is figuring out these fence connections. So this has been a big struggle point for me, and honestly it's been hindering quite a bit of progress because it's kind of the last step I need to create a final product. And right now the iteration I have, it works, but it's not holding the things up straight, so it's kind of at a tilt. So we're going to flush out those issues. I'm going to try a few different iterations and then work from there, hopefully make some good progress on that. Overall, it hasn't been the most productive 2 weeks, but it was a busy time and we're back now on the grind. So we'll see how things start picking up and we can work from there. Again, if you are interested or have any ideas for products or want to just reach out, links are all in the description. Please feel free. But yeah, we'll see you next time.